gonna be doing my room tour, and yeah, I filmed this before, but I'm refilming it because I didn't like the way it turned out. But yeah, and I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form, and I know my room is not the exact nicest, but like for me, it is nice, so I love it. And by the way, if you hear a lisp, I don't have a lisp. It's my aligners that are giving me a lisp, so. But yeah, let's just get started with the video. So this is my door, and the reason I have a mirror is because my mom doesn't have a full-length mirror in her room, and so she wanted this one. So then we have, this is the overview of my room. And yeah, let me just close that door. Oh. Okay guys, so first I just want to say the lights, the top ones, are from Big Lots, but I got them like 5 years ago, so I doubt they'd have them. But then that's my door, and I have my lanyard on there from Nike. And then I have my hamper, which is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Then we have my dresser, which is from IKEA. And my mirror is also from IKEA. And then the fairy lights are from Target. So first we have a picture of my boyfriend and I. And then a little letter from him. And then I have a candle from Bath & Body Works. That little puff thingy, I don't know where it's from. And then I have these two little tubs with hair ties in them. And these are both from Michael's, but yeah, elastics in there, and then ponytails in the other. And then this little jewelry ring holder thing is from TJ Maxx, and another candle from Bath & Body Works, and I have this little container of rocks from Target. So yeah, that's my mirror. Okay, so now we have my little 3-compartment storage thingy, which is from Target, and I built it myself. So then here my camera would usually go here, and then my Polaroid, and this little Polaroid frame thingy is from Urban Outfitters. And then I have some of my scrunchies, my school ID, and then some little bracelets I grab on the go. And then I have this thing I made in chemistry. And then we have my lotions and perfumes, well, some of them, not all. And then I have like hair products and face masks, and my hairbrush and hair makeup remover, all of that type of stuff in there. And then we have feminine stuff in here. In here we have some little bags I just got, and then I have my laptop case and my camera case. And then I have my scrunchies on there, and then I have makeup remover, some hair ties in this really, really ugly container, and then this palette from Morphe. And a little slingy thingy. And then we have all my makeup, but I don't know if you guys would want to see a makeup collection. Although I use the same 5 products every day, so. And then a little random drawer. And then we have my desk. And my dog, Simba. Okay, but my desk is from IKEA as well as a chair. So we have a candle from Bath & Body Works, and then we have a frame that my friend Mariana made me. And that's her right there in 7th grade. And then we have this little plant from IKEA, and the tub is also from IKEA. And then we have my Stress Relief Lotion from Bath & Body Works. And then this cup from San Francisco that my cousin Carolina got me. And then this little coaster type thing is from Home Depot, and it's actually a sample of wood. But they were free, so I was like, oh, I can use this as a coaster. And then this little notebook that says Start Today. Can't see, but it says that. And then we have my lamp from IKEA. And then another little photo frame with a picture of me and my friend Jackie. And then I have a water bottle and some Carmex, of course, and my AirPods, and then my Mac. Okay, so inside my drawers, first I have my old iPod, an old phone case, some phone stuff, some paper notes, and then old locks, sticky notes, calculator, Rally stuff, and then some index cards. And here we've got some film, and then some lights, and then some gum and mints, and then cables and chargers, a portable charger, a notebook, and then hot Cheetos, hauls, and then some old school stuff. And this is usually where I put my textbooks, but for now that's what I have in there. I have this little drawer with a whole bunch of random stuff like nail polish and blah blah blah, old makeup, temporary tattoos, mirrors, makeup bags, and then all my handy dandy stuff like rubber bands, tape, push pins, more film, my wallet, some phone cases, batteries, and all my coins. But yeah. And then my favorite drawer is this one, because I find it so like organized. Oh, that looks ugly. First I have my highlighters and my Sharpies, and I used to have this organized, but I don't really care anymore. And then I have earphones and yeah, and then staples and flash drives, and then wood pencils, and then I have Crayola markers, and then whiteout and a sharpener, and then lead pencils, and then pens, and then glue plus erasers plus lead. And then I have my lighter and some glitter, some fat pencils, some expo markers, a X-Acto knife, then I have scissors and rulers in there. So next we have this section of my room, which is my favorite part, where I spend my entire life. So my bed is from IKEA, and then I have these pillows, which I don't know where they're from, and then I have these ones from TJ Maxx, and I have a matching one on the other side. And then this bear, as well as this bear, are both from my boyfriend. And I don't know where he got them, but I'm sure you could find them on Amazon. I know this one's for sure from Amazon. Pink blanket is from TJ Maxx, and then the gray one is from Target. And then over there, I have a frame from Target with a little drawing that my boyfriend made me. Also the other ones. And then I have my nightstand from IKEA, and then my salt lamp from Home Goods, and then my controls, some photos, and then I have like a whole bunch of random stuff plus my perfumes and lotions and all that. And then we have my little canvas type thing from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, either or. And then we have my curtains with my window that you can't see anything through because it's blocked by a whole bunch of junk. I don't know where those are from, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure they're from Kohl's. So then we have my plant, which is from TJ Maxx, and then my little chair, which is from Mexico, but they gave it to me when I was a tiny little baby. And then we have my closet, and the lights are from, I don't know where, I'm sorry, but I'm sure you could find them like in Best Buy or Amazon or something. And then we have my closet, which I'm not gonna go into. I'll just give you guys a little sneak peek, but that's only some of it, obviously not all. But I want to do a closet declutter with me, so let me know if you guys would be interested in that. On these photos, I just have pictures of my friends and I at quinces and stuff. My quince, those ones were from my quince. And then I have pictures of my cousins, my cousins, my cousins, and then me with my dog, and then my boyfriend and my dog, and then my friend Sam and I, and then me and my little cousins, and then Sam and I again, and then Sam and my sister. Yeah, okay. And then I have my Disney ears and my chipmunk hat, and just hats like that, and just little coin holders. And then we have my trash can, don't look in there, which is from IKEA. And then we have my dog's like food bowls and stuff. And the bowls themselves are from TJ Maxx, and then the little mat is from Petco. Hi, Simba. And then we have my TV, which is tiny, but I got a new one from my boyfriend, thankfully. So we're gonna put that up soon, but not yet. And then we have my little billboard type thing, and it's from IKEA, and I just have a bucket list on there, and then just a bunch of stuff like that. Pictures, more pictures, yeah. And then, yeah, we're back here. And I'll just give you guys an OOTD. So my shirt is from American Eagle, my necklace is from Forever 21, my shorts are from Forever 21, and then my shoes are Vans. And I wouldn't usually wear these, but I changed for the video and I didn't feel like changing my shoes, so yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that room tour. Like, comment, and subscribe, and give me video ideas, like any videos that you guys want to see, because I'd be really happy to do them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Mwah.